Hi guys, I hope you are all doing well. Let's see today's question. So today's question we are taking this up from the topic of sequences and series. And if I talk about the question which is given to us here from this topic, the question tells us let A1, A2, A3 till AN be an arithmetic progression whose common difference it's given to us it's an integer, and sum of n terms Sn can be found out by just adding all of these n terms. So that's the idea we have been told here. And the further question tells us that the first term's value is 1, the nth term is 300, and one more thing that they have given us here is n is from 15 to 50. Then the further question tells us the ordered pair S n minus 4, A n minus 4 is equal to how much? So we need to figure out the answer for this question. And if I talk about the answer choices, the options are 2480, 249. The second answer choice 2480, 248. The third answer choice we have been given here is 2490, 248. And the last answer choice we have been given here is 2490, 249. So we need to basically figure out the answer for the question that is asked to us. That is basically sum of n minus 4 terms and the value of n minus 4th term. Let's figure out how to solve this question further. Before starting off with the solution, I would first like to tell you that please do subscribe to my channel and support the channel as well, because it takes lots of efforts in making these videos for you on everyday basis. Let's see the solution now for this question. So we have been told A1, A2, A3 till AN are the terms in arithmetic progression. We know that the sequence is called as an arithmetic progression when the difference between the consecutive terms is a constant value. So we know that the difference between the consecutive terms is a constant value, then it's an arithmetic progression. And in this question, we have been also told that common difference is an integer. So let's try to solve this question first. We have been given the value of first term and the value of nth term. So for arithmetic progression, we know nth term it's given by first term plus n minus 1 times the difference. Nth term in this case is 300, first term is 1, n minus 1 into difference. So if I just subtract 1, I get 300 minus 1, 299 equals to n minus 1 into d. Now once I have that, I have been told here the product of this two of them is 299. And we already know that this is an integer. So when the common difference is an integer, the product of an integer with integer only will give you 299. So if I further try to simplify this idea, 299, if I try to split it, so if I try to factorize this and split it, 299, if I try to divide it by, let's say, 7 fours is 28 and 19, so it doesn't get divided. Then if I try to divide it by another prime number, let's say 11 2 is 22, 79 not divisible, 13 2 is 26, 3 39, 13 3 is 39. So I can write this 299 directly as 13 into 23, and that basically it's nothing but product of the two prime numbers that are present. So I can further not divide this. So I know n minus 1 into d is 13 into 23. So one out of them means n minus 1 can be either 13 or 23, and the other one which is left out of the two of them will become your d value. So if I try to solve this further, let's see how to solve this. So n minus 1. So I have been told in the question that n lies from 15 to 50. So in that case, n minus 1 becomes 14 to 49. So I can have the value of n minus 1 anywhere I know from 14 to 49. And in that range, I have only one value out of the two of them satisfying this. So I get this that n minus 1 has to be 23. And when n minus 1 has to be 23, I get the remaining number is nothing but the value for d. So d becomes 13 here. So I get from this question n is 24 and I get D is 30. So we get the values of n and d. Further, if I try to solve this question, I have to find s of n minus 4 and a of n minus 4. So first let's find a of n minus 4, that is the value of n minus 4th term. So it becomes a1 plus n minus 4 minus 1 times difference. So first term, I know 1 plus n minus 5. Difference in this case, it's given to us that we know is 30. So n minus 5 into 13. So I get 1 plus 13n minus 65. So I get 13n minus 64. So we get the answer for this question. 13n minus 64 is the value of n minus 4th term. Now once I have that, further I have been told n already, that n is 24. So if I put it here, it becomes a 24 minus 4 is 13 into 24 minus 64. So 24 into 13, if I just solve it, 13 fours is 52, 5, 13 2 is 26, 31, 312 minus 64. So that gives you 308, and 308 minus 60 gives you 240. So you get the answer for a n minus 4, 248. And if I see it matches here and here, so B or C can be the answer. I understand A and D cannot be the answer here. So those two are cancelled out. Now let's just find S of n minus 4. So sum of n minus 4 terms, if I want to find out, I know it is given by number of terms divided by 2 into first term plus last term. So n, I know it's already 24. So 24 minus 4 divided by 2. First term, it's 1. And n minus 4th term, we just figured out the value 248. So I get from here 20 divided by 2, which is 10 into 249. So I get the sum of n minus 4 terms is 2490. So we get the answer to this question also. So sum of n minus 4 terms is 2490. The value of n minus 4th term is 248. So I get the correct answer to this question as option C. So C becomes the correct answer here for the question that is given to us. I hope you have understood how to solve this type of questions, which deals with the ideas of using the concepts of arithmetic progression. I'll see you again tomorrow with some other question from some other topic. And we are going to continue our series of questions on JEE mains. So stay tuned for more videos to roll out. Also, if you're enjoying these videos that we are doing on everyday basis, please do like the videos as well, and do subscribe to my channel, and share this channel with your friends also who are involved in the preparation of questions on JEE, so they can also take the benefit from these questions which we are solving on everyday basis. Thank you.